Hello student, today we are going to discuss on antigen and antibody and its interaction. Now, what is antigen? So antigen is a foreign substance which are enter in the body and which are pathogenic to the human being, and antibody which are the anti-antigenic stimulants produced by our body against that particular antigen. Now the antigen and antibody combine specifically with each other, and that is called as the antigen antibody interaction. So it may be abbreviated as antigen and antibody reaction. So these form the basic for humoral immunity and antibody immunity. Means in this case there is a particular antibody will be produced by our body against that particular antigen. Now these reactions form the basis for detection of specific infectious disease causing agent and also some specific antigen like enzymes. Now when antigen antibody reaction occur in vitro, so they are called as the serological reaction. In vitro means the reaction is occur outside the body, just like a blood test reaction or a blood detection reaction or various kind of the reaction which are occur outside the body. So these are called as the serological reaction. Now the reaction between antigen and antibody occur in three stages. First is what? In first stage, the reaction involve the formation of antigen antibody complex. In second stage, it will lead to the visible event like precipitation agglutination reaction. These are the specific antigen antibody reaction. Now the third stage include the destruction of antigen or its neutralization, means there is a destroy of that particular antigen which are enter inside the human being. Now, what are the salient feature of the antigen antibody reaction? First is what? Specificity of antigen antibody reaction, means specific kind of antigen is react with the specific kind of antibody. Then second one is the immune complex. Third one, that is the binding site of antigen and antibody reaction. Fourth one, there is a specific binding force is present between the antigen antibody, so that there is a antigen antibody complex is formed and particular immune complex or immune reaction will be occur against that antigen antibody reaction. Now this is the particular antigen. Let's say there are the 6 antigen and there is an antibody molecule, but just yellow color antigen which is fit into the binding site of antibody molecule, that is the ABC site, antigen binding site. So this is called as the lock and key model, where is the particular antigen which is fit into the binding site of antibody molecule and that form the complexes, that is called as the antigen antibody complex, and that model is called as the lock and key model, and that nature of that antigen antibody, it is called as the specificity of antigen antibody reaction. Now what is specificity? So specificity refers to the ability of an individual antibody combining site to react with only one antigenic determinant, or it is the ability of a population of antibody molecule which react only single antigen. So it is the, for example, just antibody produced against the lens antigen, means eye antigen, so it will react only the lens antigen, and similarly antibody produced against the kidney antigen will react only with the kidney antigen, and the standard lock and key will be opened and as a key only, and one antibody can react with the only one antigen. means the particular, जैसे अगर बताया जा सकता है कि अगर किडनी के स्पेशलिटी यानी किडनी के एंटीजन के अगेंस्ट में अगर एंटीबॉडी प्रोड्यूस हो रही है तो वो सिर्फ उसी के लिए काम करेंगी, वो लीवर, लंग्स, हार्ट या आई या कोई भी अदर ऑर्गन से काम नहीं करेंगी या उसके साथ कंबाइनिंग नहीं होगा, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द specificity of a particular antigen. Now second thing is what is the immune complex? So an immune complex is formed when the integral binding of antibody of a soluble antigen. So bound antigen act as the specific epitope and bound antibody is referred to as the singular immune complex. Then binding site of antigen antibody molecule, in the antigen antibody reaction antibody attach with the antigen and that part of particular antigen which combine with the antibody, that is called as the epitope, and epitope is also known as the antigenic determinant, and it is the part of antigen that is recognized by only immune system, specifically by antibody, B cell or T cell. Now the part of antibody that recognize the epitope, it is called as the paratope. Paratope is present in the antibody and epitope is present in the antigen. Let's see, this is the epitope portion of particular antigen which fits into the paratope or by antigen binding side of antibody, and this epitope is tightly fixed into that paratope position, and then and only then there is the antigen antibody complex is formed. Okay, and for that combining forces, for this combination of antigen antibody complex, various binding forces are required. Now what are the binding forces of antigen antibody complex? First is what? The closeness between the antigen antibody. Means what? That particular or specific antigen will fits into the binding site of paratope molecule of antibody. Means what? Specific antigenicity is required, and the particular antigen is more closely or tightly fixed into the paratope, then and only then there is the particular immune response will be occur. So this is called as the closeness between the antigen antibody. Now second one is what? That is the non-covalent bond or intermolecular forces. So non-covalent bond just like as hydrogen bond, electrostatic bond, van der Waals forces, and the hydrophobic bond. So these various kind of ionic bonds also. So there are the various kinds of bonds which are responsible for the non-covalent bonds. Then affinity of antibody. So antibody affinity is the strength of reaction between the single antigenic determinant and a single combining site of antibody. Means what? Single antibody is bind with the single antigen. Next is what? That is the antigen antibody reaction. So there are the various kind of forces is there. There is the hydrogen bond, ionic bond, hydrophobic interaction, van der Waals forces of attraction, then ionic bond. So these are the non-covalent interaction, and that form the basic antigen antibody binding include the hydrogen bond and these all kinds of bond, and this is the strength of antigen antibody complex. Now the strong antigen antibody reaction, which depends very close fit between the antigen antibody, which have the high degree of specificity. Now what are the properties of antigen antibody reaction? So that property of antigen antibody can be explained with the help of, first is what? Antibody affinity, second one is the antibody avidity, and third one is the cross reaction. Now start with the first, that is the antibody affinity. Now what is the affinity? So it is the interaction between the antigen antibody, and it involves non-covalent bonding of antigenic determinant, that is epitope, to the variable region of the complementary determining site, and when both heavy and light immunoglobulin molecule of antibody. So these interactions are analogous to those observed in enzyme substrate interaction, and that can be defined similarly with the strength of antigen antibody reaction, and there is the one affinity constant K is present. Means what? The particular यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि particular antigen is fixed with the either heavy chain or light chain of the antigen antibody molecule, then that binding of antigen with that heavy and light chain position, this is known as the affinity of antibody. Now avidity of antibody, so it is the strength of bond after the formation of antigen antibody complex, and it is used to denote the overall capacity of antibody which combine with the multivalent antigen. Means there are the various antigen can bind with the single antibody molecule, and the multivalent antigen has many type of antigenic determinants when injected into the blood, and each antigenic determinant which stimulate the production of particular antibody. Now the various antibody produced by a single antigen combined with the different antigenic determinants or the antibody. Now last one is the cross reaction. So what is the cross reaction? When antiserum against an antigen can also react with the similar antigen of other type. So this is called as the cross reaction. So this reaction with the antigen which produce the cross reaction is called as the cross reactive antigen. but the strength of antibody raised against its own antigen is strong. Means if various kind of antigen are present there, then the antibody molecule will only react with the specific antigen. Other antigen will be remain as it is. Next is what? Type of antigen antibody reaction. This will be discussed in next lecture. Thank you.